Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video I showed you one method of creating a frame in Staad Pro. In this video I'll be showing you another method of creating a frame in Staad Pro. Okay, so you can go with the one you prefer. So when you open your Staad Pro, this is exactly what you will have. Alright, so for this one, all you just need to do is you come here and you click on create. So click on create, but if you don't want to create, let me cancel. If you don't want to create, you can as well edit this. You click on edit, but I don't want to work with this at all, so I'd rather create my own. Okay, so click on create. So when you create, this is exactly what you have. So what we want to do here is just we want to generate orthogonal axis. So we have three ways. We have the linear, we have the radial, and we have the irregular. Okay, so linear is when you have it linearly, okay, and then radial, that is circular. Then irregular, that is when you have irregular distance. Okay, so you pick irregular distance, then you can give it a name. You definitely need to give it a name. So let me give it tutorial. Doesn't matter, just give it any name. Okay, so now let's go to what we want to model. This is what we want to model. Okay, so what I will just do right now is I will insert the position of the nodes in the x direction, and I'll also do the same thing in the y in the z direction. Okay, so here this portion is 0, right? This portion is 3, and this portion is 6 meter. Okay, this portion is 0, this portion is 3, this portion is 6 meter. So go back to Staad Pro. Then I'll pick the direction I want to work with. You know, this is XY plane, you have XZ plane, you have YZ plane. So I'll pick the XZ plane. Alright, so it will ask me to put the grid line distance. So the grid line distance, the first distance is what? The first distance, that is from here to here, that is 3 meter. Then from here to here, that is also 3 meter. So you just go there and say, okay, the first one 3, then you can say spacing 3. Okay, yes, it will be popping this for you, so click on yes. Okay, so what about the z direction? You know, I also need to fill the direction of the dimension of the z direction. What about in the z direction? I have 2 2. Okay, so from here to here, that's 2 meter. Also from here to here, that's 2 meter. So you just go there and say, okay, you have 2 meter, you also have 2 meter. Then click on OK. All right, then you have to select it. Make sure the check button is on this side, so select it. Okay, so you can now see what you have. So what we just did right now is we created an axis. So let's connect all of this with beam. So you just click on this point and drag to this point, also drag to this point. No, some very simple like this. You don't need to click anything, just no. Okay, and then you can click on escape, then click on this snap mode, click on it again. Okay, then you can continue, drag one here, drag another one here. Okay, you can escape, do the same thing, drag from here to here, and then drag from here to here. Okay, very simple. Okay, so you have this, so you can now see what you have. So you can see you have the beam, you have the node and everything. So this is what you have in the plan view. That's like drawing the plan view. That's like drawing the plan view of this frame. So I have everything in the plan view drawn now. Okay, so all I just need to do is, you know, copy in the y direction, just like we did in the previous video. So you can let me zoom this a bit. Then you can use the beam cursor, then select all of the beam, then you go to translational repeat, and then you do that in the y direction. How many steps? 2 steps. What is the distance? 4 meter. Okay, then you click on link step, then click on OK. Then you can see that everything has been copied. Then this one at the bottom, we don't need it. Just click on delete so that it can get deleted, and then you have your frame just like that. Very simple. Then you can put your support again. So this same support, I put it in the front view, then select all of this and then use this one assign, then click on assign. Yes. okay, put it back in isometric, then you have your frame. So this is the second way you can model that. Okay, so in the next video I'll be showing you another way you can generate what we have here. So thanks for watching.